Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline.
Today, we're going to be poking around the brand About Face because our drugstore, the Shoppers Drug Mart, is now carrying this brand. And we always wanted to try it. This is like a makeup lover's brand, I think, because they have such great colors. Like, we have some eye products, and they come individually. It's not like a palette.
It's all very like liquid formulas, liquid lip paint. Yeah. I mean, liquid eye paints, that kind of thing.
Things you can really have fun playing with, I think.
Yeah.
So we got some different eye things. This kind is liquid with a doe foot. Mm-hmm. And this kind is in a crayon
thing.
Okay, so I've been watching Palm Royale with Kristen Wiig and Allison Janney, and so hence my desire for these kinds of wild 60s colors, because Allison Janney has the most amazing blue eyeshadow looks. And anyway, then they have eye stuff, and we've got, each of us have a blush.
Yeah, I got an orangey one.
A balmy blush. And there's two kinds that I have here. Two kinds of lip products. This looks like the eye product, but it's in a...
It's like a lip balmy butter thing.
Balmy butter. And then there's a matte one.
Right here.
Yeah,
they kind of looks the same as the eye.
Yeah, so you gotta watch out. Yeah. Of course, I did play with it before, and now I'm obsessing and I want to go back. Yeah. I know there were a lot of holes in the display that I went to, which is annoying because now I want white. Ugh,
white. Ooh, yeah.
I don't know if they had one there though.
Huh.
I know it's online, but we are going to quickly maybe have to boycott Shoppers Drug Mart in April,
for the Loblaws boycott.
Because everyone hates Galen Weston in Canada, and we all going to do a boycott. So we have a few days
to go.
Yeah, so I'll get it before then.
Okay. Yeah, I'm excited and nervous to try because liquid eye products have never been a thing for me. But I've always been intrigued by some of these shades I've seen online. So.
And I've been out, me, Miss Palette lady, but I've been changing my game up. And now I like to do one look, one eye, or two. And I like these individual things. They excite me.
Yeah, so let's get into it. I want to get makeup on my face.
Me too. I'm going to do mine's Cheek Fleek.
Cheek Freak.
I think it says Fleek.
No, it definitely says Freak. Mine's in Cowgirl.
How do you know?
Cowgirl, because I know I remember when these came out, and you're using the shade Laid. Success.
Okay. I thought it was the shade. Yeah, I wore this the other day at the dog park, and it wore really well. I'm going to tell you that much.
Ooh. And
it has a bit of a glow.
I can see that it's a buildable color, which can be nice. This reminds me of the shade Picante from Nude Sticks. Like a very tangerine-y, great for summer orange.
Yeah, you like those orangey. I like a pink. Oh, yeah. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to channel Allison Janney, I think, but not sure how. So, I'm going to start with one of these. This is like a peacock green color called something.
Just hand it to me. Crocodile Rock.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay. I want to try this shade. It's called Hidden Garden. I've seen a lot of people use this as a base shade, and I've always been like, ooh, I want it. It's like a gray green.
And I did use it, and it's fantastic.
But again, these are the things I'm like, do I want to put it on my eye first? Put it here first, because it's liquid.
I dotted it on my eye.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what
I did it this time, and I used that one the other day, and I just dotted it on my eyeball, used it as a base.
Okay. I'm going to do that. Then start to blend it out.
I'm doing it with this one too.
It is a really nice color.
So I think I used a dirty brush.
Uh-oh.
So, I didn't want this color to be too intense. So this is a happy accident because I want the intense color to be this blue. So I'm kind of happy what I did wrong. And that's fine. Because I just want it sort of a base for the brighter shade to shine. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to try out this one, dark one at the corners. This is like the crayon. And blend it, use a brush.
What do you think the benefit of a liquid eyeshadow is versus a powdered eyeshadow?
I think the longevity.
Right.
I think it's a good base, and I think it sets.
Uh-huh.
And you don't have streaking. And I noticed that these crayon-y ones also set.
Then, like, what happens when you need to, like, blend?
You have to do it quickly.
Oh, God.
You don't have time. That's
so
why they're good one-and-doners.
Yeah. I always have that thing where I want to brighten up the inner corner, and it's like, well, once this is on, can I do that? I don't know. We're going to find out.
Of course you can.
Okay.
I don't know what you're going to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this blends out really well. So these are all like sort of matte shades. The only one that I got that has a like eye paint.
I can't look. I need to blend before it sets. I can check in a sec. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared. I don't know about this. I'm having issues.
Okay, so this is a really intense blue. And that's what Allison Janney's wearing in this Palm Beach thing. Guys, is anyone else watching it? It's on Apple.
Apologies if I blocked you a little bit. Oh my God. This is different for me. I really like the shade, but I don't know. The shiny one is called Sour Note. Yeah, Fractal Eye Paint.
Okay. I'm not going to use it today because I want to maintain this.
I want to try and smoke with this crayon thing. The shadow stick in Pearly. Dreams.
I don't know how... Okay, what I'm wondering is, once this gets blunt, like, how are you going to, like, make it pointy again?
Is there a sharp... Look, there's a sharpener on the back.
Oh, dear. Jesus.
I think my preferred approach would be to go rather straight on, is to go, like, onto the actual thing and then...
What do you mean, the thing? Onto what thing?
Sorry, like...
Your eyeball or your...
Brush.
Tool.
Product.
Okay, your tool.
My tool, rather than like right onto my eye.
Every brush I own is dirtying this up.
So yeah, this does set quickly these shadow sticks.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's a learning curve. Makeup is a learning curve.
Definitely makes me feel like a noob when I'm using things like this.
I think I'm kind of done with this. Is this not your thing?
It might not be.
Okay. It's my thing.
The eye stuff in particular. Not the other stuff. Like, I feel like, though, like, this is something cool. You get a blue like this for, like, a Love Witch makeup when you need one of those really bold kind of things. Bold blues.
Well, that's what I am. I'm in costume right now. Like, this is a costume. I'm at Allison Janney. I need mascara badly.
I'm going to try and put some of the shimmer on to see what happens. So going in with this fractal eye paint, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand first. Then I'll go in with it. Also, like, these kinds of things, like, do kind of not ruin your brushes, but once it's on your brushes, you really have to get it off. So bear that in mind. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like you can't then go into shadow the next day. Okay. This is making it a bit better. Actually, I am going to go right on the lid to get some more impact. These are nice shades to layer together.
So you're using the shiny?
Yeah.
This requires mascara. I do have something. I have a new Thrive mascara in blue. I might put it on my bottom.
That would be cool. Oh, man.
Now, this brand has a mascara, but I'm never tempted anymore to try new mascaras.
No, I haven't heard anything about that mascara either. Okay, I'm going to pop off camera. I'm hoping mascara pulls this together, but as it is on my eyes, I'm like, I can't blend. It's all set. So, yeah, we'll see what I look like when we come back.
Bye.
Hello, we are back. And we're going to finish off with lips and then give some thoughts at the end, okay?
Okay.
So we can see how the lips perform. I'm going to use one of the lip butters in Cherry Pick. Or, keep saying that. They all say, okay, it must be the Cherry Pick lip color butter. And I'm going to use the shade The Cranberries, but I'm going to use a liner first.
I'm using liquid lipstick, like a matte.
In the shade So Long Summer. There you go.
Okay. I'm going to use a liner too. They have liners, but I didn't pick one up.
Smells.
Yeah, good, right?
Like something from my childhood.
Like what?
I don't know. Like apples or something.
Oh, okay.
No, this is pretty. I like this.
Mine's nice. It's drying. I'm assuming it's going to dry matte and never come off.
Okay. That's that.
Thoughts.
Thoughts are... I like the lip and cheek products. This is an interesting formula. It's very pigmented but balmy, so that's pretty unique to have such level of pigment. Like, this is me diffusing it. I'm not a liquid eyeshadow person. I said at the beginning, and this just re-solidified to me why I don't like it. It's so hard to blend, and maybe I didn't do the right type of look for a liquid shadow, like more like what you did.
That's what I'm thinking. Like, this is not your Mama's and the Natasha Denona palette.
Yeah.
These are for, like, me, Allison Janney, and a freckle-faced girl in a meadow who just puts a dot of color in her inner eye, you know?
Yeah. I don't know. I just don't know how I'd use a shade like this. I feel like my eye shape doesn't accommodate it or something. Am I being dramatic?
I don't know. You might change it up. Like, for me, makeup is so exciting nowadays. The way it evolves, and, like, I have never seen it such an intense blue that I can get from just shadow, from, like, powder. And I bet this will stay on all day.
Also, I don't like how the brushes now need a thorough wash.
Neither does Pablo.
Yeah, I don't know. It's just like I just would rather use eyeshadow. I'd rather, if anything, maybe I'd grab one of these for like a white base or something like that. Mm-hmm. But like when you start to get past your like, what do you call this? Your brow bone, and you're trying to blend it out, then it's like, oh God, what a mess. Thank God I have bangs right now to just sort of cover the edges. So yeah, you're going to keep all these, and I'm going to take with me a blush and a lippy and be on my merry way, and I will not be buying any eye paints anytime soon. But we'll see what the future brings.
I just dream about them. I think they're so fun.
They're really cool colors, for sure. But yeah, that's it for today, I think. Let us know in the comments down below your thoughts on this brand if you've had a chance to try it out. And I would love to know if you have any tips for liquid shadow for someone like me who's just like, I don't know, maybe something's not clicking for me, but I can also feel it on my lids.
I can't feel it on my lids. I feel nice.
Chihuahua walking on the table. Yeah, okay, I don't know.
Not for you. For me, yes.
Yeah, let us know.
It's a solid fun for me. I love it. Love it. What don't I love?
I don't know. I don't know. You love everything. Yeah. When you put it on, you're like, oh.
It's just so fun. Yeah. I mean, I just love this show, Palm Royale. Like, you gotta watch it. It's so amazing. It's on Apple TV, though. I know people don't get it, but it's so good.
Okay. Well, on that note, stay witchy, stay bitchy. Have a good week. Bye.
Bye, witches.